Hey guys, I'm Danny, and today we had the big restock of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in black. Leave a comment down below in the comment section right now and let me know if you guys copped a pair or did you take an L. In this video, we're gonna go pick up my pair of Yeezys that I was able to reserve from Foot Locker. I did try for a pair this morning on Yeezy Supply, and out of nowhere, on Yeezy Supply, we had a big restock as well of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in black, but the reflective version, the pair that goes for like well over $1,000. That was completely unexpected. Let me know if you guys were able to actually cop that pair down below in the comments. I was actually on Yeezy Supply. I was able to add the reflective pair to cart, and I had the non-reflective pair in cart at the same time. As I was checking out, it told me that my information was wrong, which I know it was not wrong. I had autofill on, and as I was trying to put in my information, I put it in. It told me it was finally accepted, and then I hit review and pay, and then I got a sold out message. It completely took everything out of my cart. I did not cop any pairs at all online, which, you know, it is what it is, but I was able to cop my personal pair from Foot Locker. So now we're gonna go drive about 45 minutes away and pick up my personal pair of these all black Yeezys, man. These Yeezys are absolutely fire. Definitely a must cop. One of the most easiest, simple Yeezys ever made. It's all black. They match everything, so I'm very, very happy to pick up a personal pair. We're gonna go to the mall and pick up these Yeezys, but before we do anything, let me tell you guys about the giveaway going on the channel. If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure you guys join the More family and hit that subscribe button down below, because we have a giveaway going on for a pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 size 13. These are brand new, dead stock, and I'm announcing the winner on December 20th on my Instagram stories. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Drop a like on this video and drop a comment down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and click the link down below in the description and go to the video that I recently did on my favorite sneaker pickup and unboxing of 2019. And on that video, leave a comment telling me why you want these Travis Scott Jordan 1s, and at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram username. Then go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, and send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. Good luck! Made it to the mall. It's Black Friday. It is packed, so I'm looking to get in and get out. Let's go find Foot Locker. Made it to Foot Locker, got to wait on this big ass line. Got the Yeezys. Let's get out of here with this long ass line. Look at this. It's even longer than when I was on it. Insane. Let's get out of here. Got the Yeezys. Let's go eat and check these things out. Got the Yeezys and got out of there, because Black Friday shopping at the mall is absolutely insane, guys. Do not do it. Do not come to the mall on Black Friday. Any mall. It's just absolutely insane. We came to Jose Tejas, banging Mexican food. Good Eats on the menu. That's how you know it's good, when it says Good Eats. Got the fiance. She's looking what she wants. I can't wait to eat. Food came, already started eating. Forgot to, record, but it's alright. Still got most of the food left. Got fries, got some delicious, what are these called again? Quesadillas. I don't know why I forgot that. Banging. Jose Tejas is the spot. Back home, let's take a look at these Yeezys. Of course, I've seen these Yeezys before because they did release a few months ago. I want to say it was around May or June, and I was able to pick up a few pairs for retail then. But we're here. We did pick up another pair of the 350 V2 in black. These are absolutely fire, and this right here is my personal pair. I finally decided to keep a pair. Last time when they dropped, I copped 2 pairs. I gave one away here on the channel, and I decided to sell the other pair and make some money on them because I had a feeling that these might come back out, and well, they did. Adidas honestly does not hold anything back. They will restock anything. And this, once again, this Yeezy right here is just proof of that. Adidas does not hold back anything. So with that being said, I do want to talk about resell on these Yeezys. I'm sure you guys have seen these things before. They're a very dope shoe. All black, you cannot go wrong. This, once again, is the non-reflective colorway. The reflective did drop this morning on Yeezy Supply. Resell on the reflective pair actually has dropped a lot as well, but I think the reflective pair, it'll take time, but they'll eventually go back up a little bit in price. They'll still probably remain around $1,000, but right now, the non-reflective, this pair right here, is selling for right around $350-ish. So, what do I think is going to wind up happening with resell on these? Because I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know, when should you cop? How is the resell going to play out on these Yeezys? Well, in my opinion, right now, they're pretty much the highest they're pretty much going to be for now. Everyone's going to get their online orders in next week because there's a good amount of online orders. They'll take a little bit of a price decrease, nothing too major, and then they will creep back up and stay probably around $350 to $400, maybe even $450 in certain sizes. So the smaller sizes, of course, are going to go for the most. Bigger sizes will definitely go for some pretty money too, because this is an all-black Yeezy. Guys, this is a very easy shoe to wear. This is an all-black Yeezy 350 V2. So this shoe is so wearable, you can wear it with anything, and that's just going to make people want them. So if you do have pairs, if you really want to sit on them, I think it's a good decision to sit on them. I don't think Adidas is going to re-release them again. That would be crazy and just completely kill resell, but I don't think they'll do that. I think this is going to be the final release of these, and we'll move on to more 350 V2s. If you have pairs, if you really want to hold on to them, go ahead and do that. If you want to, let them go now, hey, you're still making a profit. So this is definitely a dope shoe. Very, very an amazing shoe, to be honest. One of my favorite 350 V2s of all time. And like I said, I am finally keeping these. I'm going to put these on feet for you guys. You'll see that right now. These are absolutely fire, and I'm just so happy I was able to pick up a pair for retail from Foot Locker. I did not cop online. Definitely a dope shoe. Very happy to pick these up. Leave a comment down below in the comment section right now. Let me know what you guys think about the 350 V2 in black. Did you pick up the reflective pair? Did you pick up the non-reflective pair? Let me know what you're doing with your pairs. Are you going to keep them? Are you going to resell them? Are you going to hold them? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Like I said, this is going to be a personal pair for me, and I might spend a little bit of money when pairs do drop a little bit in price and maybe hold on to them, because like I said, they are probably going to go a little bit up, probably to around $350 to $400 in most sizes, because this is an all-black 350 V2. 2019 has been a great year for Yeezys. These are honestly easily in my top three, probably top three 350 V2s of all time, but especially for 2019 releases. This right here is one of my favorite Yeezy releases of the entire year. Another favorite of mine is definitely the 380 Aliens, and as you guys can see, I've been wearing them. So I will probably do an updated video when I do wear these a little bit more. If you guys want that video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I can update you guys on what I think about these and how they hold up after some more testing and wearing. And another favorite Yeezy of mine that I do not own that released this year is the Yeezy 350 V2 Glow. I think the Glow is one of the best Yeezys to release all year. Pretty limited release, but they look so good. They're really, really nice highlighted color. Much better than those McChickens that I just cannot stand. I can't stand that 350 V2. That is probably the worst 350 V2 of all time. So I'm very, very happy to pick these up. Easily top three, my personal pair. I can't wait to rock these so much. I definitely needed an all-black Yeezy because I sold my last all-black Yeezy, which was the Breads. The Breads I beat them up to death, and I wound up selling them for basically what I paid for a worn pair. So, free wears, but I really honestly regret selling them because that shoe is so wearable. But right here we have, in my opinion, might be the better 350 V2. That's a huge argument right there. Are these better than the Breads? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I think these might be better than the Breads. It's right there. Those two are my favorite 350 V2s. The all-black colorway with a little hit of red that you cannot go wrong with. Red is my favorite color, and I love to wear all black. So these are just a must-have. I want to thank Adidas for bringing these back out. For me, man, these are definitely a must. I don't care about resale when it comes to certain shoes at all, and this is just one of those, man. I absolutely love these. These are fire. Definitely definitely a must cop, and I cannot wait to rock these so much. I want to remind you guys to make sure you enter the Travis Scott Jordan 1 giveaway. These are a size 13, and I am giving away this dead stock pair because we did hit 10,000 subscribers. To enter the giveaway, once again, check the description, but all you guys got to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, drop a like on this video, and a comment down below in the comment section. Click the link down below in the description and go to the video that I recently did on my favorite sneaker pickup and unboxing of 2019. And on that video, just leave a comment telling me why you want these Travis Scott Jordan 1s. And at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram username. Then go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, and send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure you smash that like button on this video and drop a comment down below in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.